There are many benefits to getting in shape and living a healthy lifestyle, and there's no better for you to start working towards this goal than right now. Joining a gym can greatly increase your chances of sticking to your health and fitness goals because it provides you with a positive environment made up of like-minded people who are working towards the same goals as you. A good gym will also have many different types of fitness equipment, so you have a wide variety of workout choices such as weightlifting, cardio, group exercise classes, and more. Most gyms also staff personal trainers who can also help you define and guide you towards reaching your own fitness goals. Aside from the obvious health benefits, a gym can be a very sociable environment and can also lead to meeting new, like-minded people. Also, be sure to check with your health insurance provider, as most will offer to reimburse you for any gym membership fees that you've paid throughout the year. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get on the fast track to achieving your fitness goals. Give us a call or stop by our website to schedule a free tour of our facilities today.